A new study suggests why people don't get COVID-19 infections from contaminated surfaces. That in a report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe for the latest information. In early 2020, news of the deadly virus caused panic buying of toilet paper and cleaning supplies. Now, 2 years later, scientists are saying that the SARS-CoV-2, that's the virus that causes COVID-19, is primarily spread through respiratory droplets in the air rather than on surfaces. New research suggests mucus makes the coronavirus stuck on surfaces less infectious. Previous research showed that the coronavirus can stay on surfaces for days or weeks, but the strongest evidence of transmission comes from airborne droplets carrying the virus. The issue lies in the method behind the studies. Most scientists looked at viruses and buffers or growth media, but in actuality, an infected person who sneezes on a desk will let out mucus-covered SARS-CoV-2. Can I just say this? Use a tissue, cover your mouth. Sneezing on a desk is just gross. According to researchers, mucus has sugar molecules known as glycans that block the COVID-19 virus from infecting cells. And hey, bonus, I think we figured out why kids pick their nose. It's the sugar. Glycans are important because SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins target these sugar molecules at the end of a cell surface to infect a cell. Therefore, if spike proteins become coated with glycans and mucus, they may not bind to the ones on cell surfaces. Okay, I see where this is going. Using a mock version of a human coronavirus called OC43, the team put droplets of the virus in a buffer or growth medium with 0.1 to 0.5% mucins found in nasal mucus and saliva found on a plastic surface. They measured the residue and its ability to infect cells. The mucus-covered viruses were dramatically less infectious. Check out more detail in the link in the description below on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.